Hi, my name is Genesis. Thank you for joining us today for our computer tutorials. Today I will take you along the process of editing a video for our TikTok page. So if you're ready, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by hitting that upload button on the bottom right, and then selecting our video, and then hit next. And then you'll hear the sound of me kind of shuffling my feet in the video. I'm just going to hit the volume sound and put the original sound to 0. And on the bottom, you'll see an option to create a text. I'm going to kind of create a header, and it's going to allow to grab your attention and also gives the viewer like a chance to know what the video is going to be about. You'll see a bunch of different options. There's also a bunch of different font options, color options, layout options. You can also do text to speech, which is pretty cool. This is kind of a preview of what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to select our header and put the set duration button, and I'm just going to drag it all the way down to like maybe around 5 seconds is fine. So now you'll see that our text is only going to appear for 5 seconds and then it's going to disappear. Now on the bottom left corner, you're going to hit the sounds button and go to favorites. I already have a pre-selected one. I'm just going to hit select, and you can hear that we have sound now. Now to add our effects, we're just gonna hit the effects button, and you can see TikTok already has a bunch of already pre-made ones. Just kind of little visual things that you can add to your video to make it look more appealing. They also have motion effects, I think some facial effects, and some transitions, and also some time effects. We're just gonna add a transition effect to ours. The first one is fine. It's turn on TV, and it's just gonna add something to our video, and I'm gonna hit save. And the last editing feature I'm gonna show is how to do a voiceover. The voiceover command is really simple. You're just gonna hit the record button and hold it as long as you want to talk, and just keep holding it. You can pause it. Maybe you want to reword some things, you can erase. It's really simple. Just save it and you're good to go. You can also add stickers if you wanted to. I'm not gonna add any on this video, but maybe in the future. But yeah, there's a lot of stickers to choose from. So now that our video is fully edited, I'm gonna hit next, and I'm just gonna add a couple of hashtags. This is just gonna help the algorithm to know who to target your video to and allow it to reach that target audience. I'm just gonna put a couple of keywords. I'm putting library books, book talk. It also gives you some suggested words that I'm going to use, and I'm going to save it as a draft for now, but I will be posting it, and that should be it. So thank you for watching our computer tutorial. I hope it helped. If you have anything else that you want us to cover, don't hesitate to leave a comment or anywhere where we can see it. Again, thank you for joining us, and have a great day.